Hi, I'm Faith and welcome to Clean With Me video, or you can also call it a daily morning cleaning routine. I usually like to do this cleaning routine on the weekdays and sometimes on the weekends, but usually on the weekends, my cleaning routine is a lot shorter, and in return, my house gets a lot messier by the time the weekend is over. This video shows my morning cleaning routine that I've been working on since I've completed the Flylady's 31 baby steps. I've tweaked the Flylady's baby steps to make them work for my family and my lifestyle. Does my morning look like this every day? No. It's impossible to have the perfect routine, but I strive to do the best that I can, and now let's get motivated. I usually start my morning cleaning routine right after we have our breakfast and my kids ran off to play. The first thing that I like to do is to unload the dishwasher if I didn't get a chance to do it while preparing breakfast. Then I'll put my apron on and the wireless headphones that I got from Amazon. I'm in love with the Apple's headphones. Many of you might know that I love to clean when I'm listening to music or podcast or audiobooks, but these headphones make cleaning a lot more enjoyable because I can move around without accidentally pulling my headphones off. I did that way too many times with just the regular headphones. After I unload the dishwasher, I'll do a quick breakfast cleanup. That's when I'll bring all the dishes to the sink, wipe the kitchen counter, table, and load the dishwasher. When I finish the breakfast cleanup, I head straight to my bedroom. This is when I'll make my bed, unless I made my bed before starting breakfast. Then I'll do a quick hot spot clean, which is when I do a quick pickup around my room. I'll make sure to put the clothes in the hamper, put the chargers away, and put other random things back where they belong. After the hot spot clean, I'll do the swish and swipe. The swish and swipe is a quick cleanup in the bathroom. This is where I'll wipe the toilet, give the toilet a quick swish, and quickly wipe the mirror, counter, and sink. When I was going through the Flylady's 31 baby steps, I would do a daily swish and swipe in both of our bathrooms. But I had a very hard time keeping up with the regular cleaning in both bathrooms. So I changed my routine to cleaning both bathrooms on Monday. Then I would quickly clean one bathroom per day for the rest of the week, except on the weekends. This is why I do both of the bathrooms on Mondays, because on the weekends, I don't do much cleaning. After the swish and swipe, I'll go to my kids' room to make their bed and pick up any clothes that my kids sometimes leave on the floor. Then I'll throw in a load of laundry. I think my biggest struggle in the cleaning department is getting the weekly cleaning task done. So let me know down in the comments on how you balance the daily and the weekly cleaning. Do you like to focus on one room at a time, or do you have a specific day when you dust, mop, and vacuum? Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.